Hello all, this video is all about explaining our problem statement given by Smart India Hackathon 2023. Our problem statement is a drone-based intelligent magnetic sensing system and metallic anomaly sensing detection system uh, given by Defense of Ministry, and our team name is MYTHIC TRAILBLAZERS. We are from Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. Coming to our solution for a problem statement. Here we introduce a drone which is autonomous and also manual as well as which functions through autonomous navigations, artificial intelligence, and has some external technical properties like data fusion, user interface, magnetic sensing, etc. Our drone is completely automated, and in case there is a backup for manual control, this drone is used to identify metallic objects like landmines and trip mines in a warfare zone in order to help military armies. And here we use this drone for identifying unidentified objects like landmines and trip mines under the ground, where we use GPS sensors, ground penetrator radar, to identify um, hidden mines under the ground, and other magnetic field sensing devices, sensors, to identify non other to identify other metallic objects like used bullet pellets and etc. Here, the capability is crucial for detecting metal anomalies like UXO, unexploded ordnance, and concealed weapons, and IEDs, improvised explosive devices. The drone navigates the terrains and environment which make it suitable for defense applications. The main use cases are detecting landmines. If is there any if is there any landmines hidden under the ground, and which can't be seen by a normal human with a naked eye, this drone can identify the mines and trip mines using a GPS sensors, which which goes in air merely near to the ground at the distance of 19 to 25 centimeter. So there will be a minimal difference distance between the ground and the sensor from the drone. The the sensor in the drone will penetrate the ground and identify the types of metal using GPS sensors and metallic sensing sensors and thermal sensors. This can also be used in military intelligence agencies like purposes. And coming up to our drones design, this is the exact prototype of a drone which has been designed as a CAN model in Blender application. In this, we can see a drone having a multiple propellers for weight balancing, and we have a built-in antenna for controlling it manually for a backup from a longer distance. And going at the bottom, the drone, we have infrared cameras, thermal cameras, and additional sensors built in this drone. And it also has an built-in wheel for locomotion under certain terrains. This model is right now completely under simulation and testing. Once if the simulation and testing is done, the final product will be made available for deployment. And these are our team members. Thank you.